Let me get right to it. This pouch is amazing and very well made. But is it the right pouch for you or for me? I own and use a lot of pouches to organize my items and keep my packing style modular and therefore fast and effective. All of these pouches are very well made and awesome. However, most of them are probably not for you and me. The thing about pouches is just like bags. They are highly personal. Bags are bigger and adapt much easier to your content and packing style. But pouches are basically the more condensed version of a bag and therefore only fit a specific set of items. So it is up to your items and your packing style if a pouch is the right one for you. This is the Trakke Laggan Mini, a 0.8 liter pouch made out of dry finished wax canvas. On the outside you can find a small compartment in which I store small items like a headphone splitter, a headphone adapter, SIM tool and a AAA battery for either my flashlight or noise cancelling headphones. The pouch is clamshell opening and inside you can find 3 slots on the right and 1 big slot plus 5 elastic slots on the left. Furthermore, you have this O-ring to which you could attach a carabiner. On the right, I store the Geek Capsule Gravity, a 5000 mAh power bank. By the way, check the description below for affiliate links to some of these items. If you use those links, you won't pay more, but you will support the channel with a small kickback of that sale. In addition to the Geek power bank, I store an Anker power plug on the right side. On the left, I have a Fisher Space Pen, a small Victorinox multi-tool, a Prometheus flashlight, a regular length USB-A to micro USB with a USB-C adapter cable to charge my phone on the night desk at a hotel, a short Geek USB-C cable for the road, and a multi-cable if someone around me with an iPhone for instance needs some juice for the phone. In the back I have a small microfiber cloth. As you maybe know from my past videos, this loadout is my extended EDC, so all items that I might need on a daily basis but don't want to keep in my pants pockets. So I always store these items inside a pouch that will be kept in my backpack. And this loadout will definitely differ from what you might need to pack on a daily basis in your backpack. That is why I can't tell you if this or any other pouch for that matter is right for you. What I can say is that this pouch is incredibly well made, good looking and spacious. So is this Trakke Laggan Mini for me? As you can see, everything is well organized, but there is also a lot of unused space and the pouch is slightly more bulky than I personally would like. Which is why I probably will go back to the Trakke Fold pouch for now. This pouch has no organization inside, it's basically just a catch-all. However, it is very compact and very adaptable because it is not rigid in its structure, which makes packing it inside my backpack much easier and almost unnoticeable. The Laggan Mini is still a great pouch that I can highly recommend based on the looks, build and features. My recommendation would be gather all of the items that you think you would like to store inside any pouch. Lay those items in front of you based on how you imagine you would like to load them inside, and then evaluate if the pouch that you are currently considering would fit the bill. I know this isn't a foolproof method that also needs a lot of imagination, but it might get you somewhat in the right direction. So what pouch do you use to organize all of your items? Let me know in the comment section below. And like always, if you have any more questions, also comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And please feel free to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you won't miss next videos. And also check out my Instagram, second channel and podcast at You Know The Most. Stay safe and healthy everyone, and I see you in the next videos. Thank you very much. And one pro tip in the end, if you trim your beard, don't forget to check the length of the trimmer, that it is not too short as what happened to me this morning.